Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on display and text size. You come to next step here, come here to reduce transparency here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.